Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to review what we learned in the previous lesson. If this is your first time here, we recommend you watch the last video about how 9/11 changed America forever. Now let's test your memory and understanding. Did the 9/11 attacks happen in 1999? No, the attacks happened in 2001. Were the World Trade Center towers hit by two passenger planes? Yes, two hijacked planes crashed into the towers. Did the attacks kill about 300 people? No, nearly 3,000 people lost their lives. Was Al-Qaeda responsible for the 9/11 attacks? Yes, Al-Qaeda carried out the attacks. Did the US respond by declaring war on a specific country? No, it declared a war on terror, targeting terrorist groups. Did the war on terror lead to the invasion of Afghanistan? Yes, the US invaded Afghanistan shortly after 9/11. Was the Department of Homeland Security created before 9/11? No, it was created as a response to the attacks. Did the Patriot Act give more power to protect citizens' privacy? No, it gave the government more power to monitor threats, often reducing privacy. Did 9/11 lead to increased discrimination against some communities? Yes, especially against Muslim communities. Was the US still in Afghanistan in 2023? No, the US withdrew its troops in 2021. Great job! Watch this video as many times as you need to really understand everything. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing lessons about English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.